What's up, everybody? The con man here. Like I'm saying, we're going catfishing in about 50 to 45 minutes, and I'm not gonna use this one because I was just looking at it and there's like half of the lines missing on this one, and I'm just gonna restring this one next year. So I'm gonna be using my bait caster today, this one right here, and it has a circle hook all the way up there and a half ounce rate, and I'll be using the Matsu one, and it's not the best pull, but it does work, and I'll be using a red circle, not circle, yeah, circle hook. I'm thinking about a joke. Yeah, red circle hook with half bounce rate. That one's silver up there. So that's what we'll be using. We just got the sausages not that long ago, and I think it's just myself going. If anybody else joins, it'll probably be either Hunter, maybe Drew, or my stepdad, or my mom. Maybe probably not my mom, but yeah. I'll see you next, either at the pond or whenever I'm on camera again. Well, we're at the pond and we're about to go casting. So yeah, and we're about to switch to the GoPro now. Try not to ruin this bait caster. Leave that there. And then put sausage on this guy. Now we wait. We're gonna chum the waters with the sausage. Hopefully that does something. Got one! Finally! Hey boys! Woo! Finally! It's pulling. We got Hunter, we got Drew.
Ooh, what if I just cut your line right now, dude?
That would be bad. Seems like a decent fish.
Run it.
Oh.
It's seaweed.
Holy crap, look how big that is, bro!
It's seaweed. You caught it by the tail.
No, I didn't.
Jeez, dude.
I must have tangled it.
Kill it and eat it.
No! Are you?
Hey, get it! Get it! Grab it!
Well, there it goes.
That thing was huge, dude.
Alright.
Bye-bye, fishy.
It broke the hook. Well, that catfish just broke off the hook, so I gotta go put a new one on. Well, guys, this bait caster is screwed. Sweet. Well, I guess I'm not using this one today. Awesome. Well, I was just right in here, and I just found one of my little hooks on the ground right here on the ground. It was funny. Guys, it's like, believe it's 2:23, so I'm either gonna stay till like 3:30 or 4. I haven't got anything yet, so I'll be back when I either have a fish or I'm leaving. Don't you love it when you're fishing and you have to go pee and there's water in front of you? Oh, it's so great. Oh. There's a helicopter. Looks like a news station. You don't see much helicopters around here. This like says, I gotta use the restroom, and there's food right here. Oh my god, I can't eat that. I'll probably get worms or something. Oh, fish, come on. We need you, bro. Or girl. So yeah, guys. It's almost I believe I'm staying until 3:30. So if anything happens in 40 or 50 minutes, I'll let you know. It's 3 o'clock right now. I'm ending it a little bit early because I have to go to the bathroom. Like, I got to. I can't hold it any longer. And I'm gonna go eat something, edit this portion of the video, and see what else today has planned for us. I believe I'm gonna do a little hangout with my friends. So yeah, stay tuned. As soon as I get back here, Christmas decorations, we gotta put them up. Well, I'm gonna upload these and then I guess include this Christmas stuff. Well, we gotta get all this done. Hunter's helping us. And then we're hopefully either gonna have this barbecue place or Red Fortune, which is Chinese food. And then we're gonna have a little get together here. Anything you have to add?
We need to go get some grape juice.
Okay. For the rest of the night, we're probably just gonna hang out and relax and just, like I was saying, have the lads come over and just chill out. So thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. If you have any ideas of what random stuff I should do, hook me up. And as always, stay classy.